Hi everyone, Carol here with Carol's Cricut Crafts, and I'm going to reveal the gorgeous new Midnight Joy mystery box. Look at the cutie. It's called Dream and it's absolutely beautiful ombre color. I can't wait to show it to you. As always, purchase and discount info is in the description right below this video. Thank you for using my affiliate link. If you do, I will earn a small commission, but never at any extra cost to you. Please take a moment to subscribe to my YouTube channel if you don't already, and give this video a thumbs up. Let's take a look at this Midnight Joy mystery box. So here's the gorgeous new cutie. It's ombre burgundy to a very deep blue. Absolutely gorgeous. First release. We've never had it before. Don't miss it if you collect cuties. I think this one will go very fast. Gorgeous. So let's see what else is included. I'm showing you a photo of 2 sets of Cricut stackable mugs. I'm using a photo because they take up so much room on my table. It's not possible to display them on the video properly, so I'm using a photo. Each set contains 4 mugs. They're 10 ounce each, and they stack. You can use them with infusible ink, sublimation, or even use vinyl on them if that's what you prefer. So 2 sets of Cricut stackable mugs. And next we have smart vinyl. This is tomato red. It's 5.5 by 48 inch. Then we have 5.5 by 48 inch smart vinyl, again permanent in tulip. Beautiful colors. We have a smart vinyl 5.5 by 48 inch permanent in mint. Aren't these colors gorgeous? Then we have smart vinyl 5.5 by 48 inch in dark teal. Beautiful. We have 5.5 by 48 inch permanent smart vinyl, again in gold. We have smart vinyl permanent in black, 5.5 by 240 inches, 20 feet of black. I think that's amazing because black is so practical. We use it so often. And we have linerless transfer tape, 5.5 by 10 feet. Isn't that great? This is the Midnight Joy mystery box. Of course, you can use all these materials with Explore and Maker. Just put them on a mat and they work perfectly. And our gorgeous little ombre cutie called Dream. I hope you're going to enjoy this mystery box. I know I will. And thank you for watching. As mentioned, once again, purchase information and discount info is in the description right under this video. Thank you again for using my affiliate link if you do.